What's up, guys? I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Welcome back to our
Saturday series. Today we're gonna try some
puff cookies, limited edition. On the back, there are some baking instructions, like heat the oven to 325 degrees.
And here's a hot tip.
Roll the dough into balls before baking.
Don't you think these pink sprinkles look so cute?
Yeah, if you're a girl.
What color sprinkles do you want to have?
Yellow.
Vincent, quit messing around. Let's get these cookies in the oven. Our cookies are finally ready.
They baked for 19 minutes and turned out perfect. I have a feeling these cookies will be delicious with some milk.
Vincent, are you ready for a taste test?
Yes. You guys, this cookie is so delicious.
Yeah, it's crunchy on the outside and so soft on the inside.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.